Hello, y'all. Okay, so I just went by my mailbox and my Fendace piece came in. This is what I'm most excited about. I ordered a piece of ready to wear too. I don't know what I was thinking about, but it said it went to a Italian size 52. Anyways, when that comes in, I'll unbox it. But this came in. Yay! Okay, so I just zipped it. So here. Oh, I got the bag and everything. Oh, good. Okay. Hold on. Let me get a picture for the thumbnail. Did I take a picture? I never know with this thing. So, Fendace. Let me take these sunglasses off so I can see with my eyes. Okay, Fendace. I got the... Oh, it's not just... Oh, I thought the bag was just sitting on top. It's actually in the bag. Oh. Yeah, I'm in this rental car. Yeah, I couldn't wait till I got home. I was too excited. Oh, I love it. That's so cool. All right, it's in there. So let's see. Whatever this is. Okay. Put that in there. I know it's after I got my Versace travel mug with me. Okay, let me put this over here on this. Okay, it's all tied up nicely. Get rid of this. Not get rid of it, but you know. Oh. All right then. That might be becoming a hair ribbon. Let's see what we got in here. The Fendace box to go with that. So I'll put this down over there. Get my box going. Oh, I hope these look good. Okay. Take these off. And let's see here. What I got were these sunglasses. Why is this soft? Oh, okay. Oh, please look nice. Oh, this is a nice case, though. Okay. It's gonna be a real quick one. Oh my goodness. They're a bit more yellow than I thought, definitely. But let me try them on. So these are the Fendace sunglasses. Oh, look at that. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. I need to hurry up and get on home. But like I said, instant gratification. All right, let me look at myself before I show y'all. Oh, y'all can't tell me anything. Oh, well, I guess that's not helpful. Okay, let me see if I can I reverse the image? Oh, I sure can't. I don't know how you guys are gonna be able to see what I look like. Without me looking crazy. Huh. Well, what I'll do is maybe I'll do it as a thumbnail. Oh, there we go. I can make this work. Think outside the box, my Shariki. Can y'all tell? I don't know if you can tell, but I like them. They're light. They're very light. Do you see they have like a strong yellow tinge to them? Yeah, y'all, this is my new weave. I ain't talked about that yet. I'm getting used to it, but I like them. Ooh, okay. See the detail. Like I said, this is low tech. I don't have any editing. I don't have any fancy. This is my iPhone. This is the way it gets down here. So I got me a piece of Fendace. I like them a lot. Ooh, okay then. Can't tell me anything. Oh, but let me give you guys a close-up again. So this is the color. It's definitely more yellow than it looked like online. But luckily, I like the color yellow on my behind. So that is wonderful. Oh, I love them. Ooh, let me look at them with my own eyes. Oh yeah, you can't tell me anything. I love it. Oh, There's some more detail along the side. Or if it's gonna focus. Ooh, maybe it's not. Man. Wow, why were you focusing before and not now? See, they won't let me live. Ooh, don't look at my ashy feet. Oh no, I put lotion on today. Okay. Oh, well, this is disappointing. It won't focus. So you can't get any more detail. Sorry about this, y'all. Well, the main thing of it is I'm happy, so. Oh, here we go. Now it's focusing. You see the detail there? This is so weird. It used to autofocus. Yeah, this is just a hot mess. All right, then, y'all. That's the end of that, but I love my glasses. And I'll show you guys when I get the ready to wear. It's probably not going to fit. But I wanted to try a piece to see. This is really bugging me that this isn't focusing. There we go. There you go. Got the FF, and then you got the Medusa head. Got a little something on the other side too. So that's it. That's it. That's my Fendace for now. I got something from Fashion File, but it's going back. I totally have buyer's remorse. The moment I purchased it, and then I forgot about it, and then it's like, you know what, I need to return this. I don't really want this. I just wanted it because it was a good deal. All right, y'all. Until next time. Bye.